Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now this is going to be the third time that I've tried to make this morning. I'm going to do a little bit of work on my flower journal that I want to do. Now I've put together these pieces of really nice pieces of paper in here, and there's some flowers and some birds, and I just want to work on putting some bits and pieces into this. Now I have lots of really nice big bits of flowers. I really want to make a pocket in the front. I don't know, I think I have a piece here that's cut in a shape. When I say that, I'll see what I'll tell you what we're talking about in a second. Hang on, I'll find it. Okay. I've been collecting up bits. Oh dear, please don't fall on top of me. Righto. I might leave the front there for a little bit, just to, so I think about what I want to do with that. But this here one, I might just put this here for a pocket. What do you reckon? Tuck spot or a pocket. I think that'll look good. I do like that. It's really, really pretty, isn't it? So we're going to put that there. That's really for a start. And I'm going to use, am I going to use it for a pocket or just a... Okay, so what about if we put it up here and used it just to tuck something up underneath? Because using that piece there would probably bend and break it, maybe. I don't know. Would it? Would it break it? Okay. I do like that. Now I'm going to put it on there. I'll put it on here, and it won't matter if we don't use it for a pocket. We're going to use, we'll still be able to write on the part where the music is, because I just don't want it to be wrecked, you know, by pushing things underneath it. So we're just going to decorate it with this for a start, okay? That's what we're going to put on. Now, if I just turn off all of a sudden, you'll know that I've run out of battery, and I do apologise for that, because I hadn't had a chance to charge my camera. Okay, so that can go there. Maybe we'll make a little pocket on the top of it or something. That might be a good idea, just so we've got this. Now I'm going to show you, I'm going to put a bit of I don't know if I'll put a bit of text on it or a little bit of what is that other I was going to do some, you know, where you put the... Oh dear, my words are failing me this morning. That's something different for me. Usually I've got lots to say. But I did have a bit of a talk earlier, and I have done this video. This will be the third time, because what I have produced I was very disappointed in. So I wasn't... Stencil. It's a stencil and it's in front of me, and that's very disheartening, because when you think about it, you're losing everything. Sonia, you don't know where it is, and it's very in front of you. So I've got all these nice ones, aren't they? Otherwise, I'm sorry. So I'm going to put... I'll come back on here when I charge this, and I will do a bit more, okay? So don't be disheartened if it turns off. I do want to put some videos up. I do miss being in here putting videos up. I really do. So I'm going to put that there and put a bit of inky on it. What do you reckon? A nice bit of ink. We'll do some pink ink. Pink ink. Can we find one of those pink doubly things before all things come on? No, we can't. I've got that. I have got everything here you could possibly need. And do you think I can find what I really want to do at the time? Everything else is available to me except for what I'm going to use. What's this one? Oh look, it's new. Oh dear. Well, we're going to put that on there, don't you think? Or in the corner. Maybe look nice in the corner, like so. Some person beeping out there. Not at my place. I wouldn't go down the wall with anybody if they started beeping on out front of my place. There we go. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look good? Yeah, I do like that. Oh, that's a nice perch too. And so that's a nice bit of flower. Oh, I do like that. And we probably put it, no, that'd be too much, wouldn't it? Well, let's put another bit down here then. Okay, let's put another bit in. And I think that thing will make it, no, that won't fit, it's too big, I'll put a little one in there. Somebody must have rang a taxi or something and they're out the front beeping on. I don't know what's going on. Most of the neighbours have got cars, so I don't know what's happening. This is not easy to get out, is it? Push out this thing. Hope I don't muck this up so I don't like it, because I won't be happy at all. Actually, I found that doing this dobby thing is better than trying to rub across it, because for some reason I found that works better like this. And if you use ink, it'll go through to the other side of your paper. You know, like ink. It'll go through the other side when I mean ink. Come on, where's one of these? This will go right through to the back because it's too wet. So that's why I'm using the Distress stuff, which is Victorian Velvet, which I really like, and so therefore I'm happy with that now. That's good. And I'm going to put a bit more glue under here, and I want to put a little pocket on here, eh? What do you reckon? I think we need a little pocket on here so we can put something in it. All right. Why don't sit down? It's going to be disagreeable, isn't it? Now, what sort of pocket will we have? I don't know, a square one, Sonya. Probably be good. If you've got something that's, you can just put over the top of it a bit just to, I don't know. I'll just leave it like it is, eh? What do you reckon? Because I want to put a piece of trim up the side of it too. I do like a piece of trim. Especially when we're doing flowers, we want pretty, don't we? We do want to make it pretty, so I'm going to put a piece of this up. Bought a heap of this on eBay or AliExpress. Not expensive at all. Maybe I should put it on this side here, because the other side has got the Distress ink on it, and I don't want to put the lace over the top of it, but you will be able to see the lace through to the other side of here. Alright, and I hope I've showed you all the... I know that I did a lot of stuff on the other video that I did, how I cut out my leaves and that, and I don't think I put on this, on the one that I'm putting up here, so I'm going to have to see how that looks. Doesn't that look ducky? That looks really nice because you've got that white bit there, you know, and it sort of brings it together in its own way. Okay, on this part here I might do I've got one of those fold over. I do love a fold over pocket, I really do. I've got some really pretty pictures here, really pretty pictures. I cut out things for miles last night, I just did. It was just so much fun. Anyway, I suppose I better go. I feel like I should have been doing a bit more though than this much. Is not very much that I've done at all, is it? So these are the pockets that I made too. This is the tags, I mean. I might put that one in the front one, but I need to put something behind this. I need it to be a bit more solid than what it is. This can go in the front pocket. And I've got these others here that I'll be putting through at different stages. Oh, hang on. So I've got this piece here that I'm going to make something out of. See how I've cut the edges like that? That was fun. That was really good fun I had doing that. We need something to write on, so maybe we'll leave that bit. Let's leave that piece for writing and just put a little bit of ink around it, eh? Let's put a little bit of this pinky stuff on it. Just a little tiny bit of ink. Not too much because we don't want to... Anyway, I better go because it's run out of time. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.